What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aysia Drew. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this DIY mini flower wall. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my welcome back to my channel. I'm filming on my iPhone right now because I just feel like turning my camera too much for me today. But I think I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and stuff because I had an idea about a flower wall that I wanted to do near my vanity. I guess my jewelry stand shelves. But I had an idea about doing a DIY flower wall. I want to do back roses, so I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree because I'm gonna get a foam board from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna just see if I make it work. So the first thing I did was measure out the poster board to fit on my shelf. This is actually a foam board that I got from Dollar Tree. Next, I just took some wire cutters so I can cut all the fake roses to fit in the holes for the flower wall. I got the roses from Hobby Lobby. They were a little pricey, but you can find fake flowers anywhere pretty much. So Michael's, or sometimes Dollar Tree has some good ones. So I decided to spray paint the foam board. It wasn't dark enough for me, and I wanted the flowers to really blend in with the board. So after it dried, I just took the wire cutters and cut the rest of the ends of the fake flowers so I can poke them through the holes. And what I used to poke the holes was just a little screwdriver. I think the screwdriver was actually messed up. It had like a little sharp piece. But I didn't want to use a hole punch because I felt like the holes would have been too big. But just use anything, just something that'll poke a big enough hole to where you can securely fit the stem of the flower inside. So I found it easier to kind of measure out the distance of the flowers before I actually poke the holes, so I know exactly where to put them. So after all the flowers were placed, I just took some hot glue and secured them a little more just to make sure they didn't move, because I didn't want them falling out of the holes. I did want it a little bit bigger, but I didn't get enough roses, and your girl was not going back to the store to get any more roses. But I think it came out cool. I think it was a good size, and I think it's a cute little accent piece to my wall. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and share. And I will see you next time.